We join a pair of thrill-seeking explorers who have ventured into an abandoned town area rumored to be the lair of the land eater, a colossal subterranean beast said to devour anything in its path from cars and buildings to hills and fields. As they monitor the ground from a drone, tremors crack the earth and disturb the landscape, and they speculate that the creature moves beneath the surface, surfacing only to feed. The drone captures glimpses of disturbances, and when the ground shudders, the duo witnesses the land eater's appetite on a rampage, swallowing houses and a truck before vanishing underground again. Leaving the city rattled and their nerves frayed, they scramble to keep pace, helping to film the moment the monster surfaces, but its whereabouts become uncertain as the drone loses track and the creature seems to vanish. Desperate to slow or stop the beast, they hatch a plan to lure it out with the world's spiciest belly-busting concoction. Back in the car, they mix a potent spicy solution with water, preparing to pour it into the land eater's mouth if they can coax the creature into range. They launch the drone again to locate the behemoth, and when the land eater finally surfaces near a car park, the duo moves in for the risky stackout, creeping closer as the beast roams and the tremors resume. They position themselves for a bold strike, hoping the spicy mixture will provoke a fiery reaction that could force the monster to surface and expel them. The resulting chaos signals a dramatic failure or possible victory, and the creature seems to recoil or react in a way that suggests the plan might have worked, though the outcome remains uncertain. With the beast momentarily subdued or driven away, the city's streets begin to settle, and the investigators consider the next steps to ensure safety and cleanup, while warning viewers that the drama is far from over and that further updates will follow as the situation unfolds. As the dust settles and the adrenaline ebbs, the video shifts to a rapid-fire outro, with the duo inviting viewers to become part of the B team and smash that like button as they sign off. Adam B and Callum B volley lines about joining the Red Subscribe squad, the bell for alerts, and the promise that the Mighty B team is on a relentless quest, vowing wins and never losing ground. The on-screen energy stays high, the cadence of their calls to action matching the post-episode hype, while a sense of ongoing pursuit lingers, hinting that the next chapter, the next close call, and the next update are already in the works. The familiarity of the duo's exit ritual reinforces a continued partnership with their audience, reinforcing that this story is far from over, and that further expeditions into the unknown are on the horizon. The final moment snaps back to the crew's dynamic sign-off, a quick, climactic push that leaves viewers ready for what comes next and eager to be part of the ongoing adventure.